Hello everyone, welcome to watch ZW3D training video series. And this video will continue the 2D drawing introduction. In last video, we already introduced about the 2D drawing introduction and also how to create and edit the views. And in this video, we will learn about dimensions and annotations. So first, we will learn about the basic dimension. Before the dimension, we need to define the dimension styles. So you can define that in Style Manager. You can refer for more details in the video of sheet template customization. And to create the basic dimension, we can use the dimension to create them quickly. It can cover most of dimension like the linear dimension, the angular dimension, the radial diameter dimensions, and also the whole dimension is very easy in ZW3D, which is very powerful. We can use the whole callout. Why we say it is powerful? Because it can recognize all the holes, including the holes created in ZW3D and also the Boolean holes and also the holes from the imported geometry. Okay, and for the thread, due to it is just a texture attribute, so it only recognizes the thread marked by ZW3D. Let's just go to software to check them out. Okay, in this case, we need to make dimension like this. So most of dimensions can be created by the dimension, just one command. So we can get this dimension from right click, and then here, this one, put here, and this one, you can just switch to the align mode so we can get better management here, and also this place to this place and this to this point, this line, and also this point to this line, not the point. Okay, and like this point to this point, so we can just use this mode. Okay, and for this radius and this radius, okay, and also for the angle dimension, and dimension this angle. Okay, finish. So we have finished most of the dimensions here. And another two dimension is the whole dimension. So we can use the whole callout. We can tick the settings and select this view to check this hole and this hole. So already finished. Adjust the location. Sorry, like this one. Or this place here. So it is okay. Finished, done. Okay, let's continue to learn about the baseline, continuous line, ordinate. So these three commands can create the dimensions in a group, which means we can adjust the dimensions as a whole. And also it can be edited by add to group, remove from group, and explode group. So let's just check inside the software. Okay, here's the case. As you can see from here, this is the base dimension, this is the continuous dimension, and this is the ordinate dimension. So if we adjust the location, it will be modified as a whole. This is the same. And also the ordinate. Okay, so let's just check how to create the dimension. We can here the baseline and space the first dimension, and then just add the point, this one, and this one, and finish. After this, we can just go to the dimension, edge dimension. There's 3, add to group, remove from group, explode group. So for example, add to group, we can select any entity in this group and then add here this point, so we can find the result. And also we can remove the dimension from this group, for example this one, and then we can go to the remove, select the entity like this one, we can get the result. And also we can use the exploded group, so select this one and OK. So you can find when you adjust the location, it will not be moved as a whole, right? And the same as the continuous. So we specify the first dimension and then next one. Okay, just continue dimension as a whole. And for the ordinate, we specify the original point first. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one. And if the dimension is too close, it will add the leader automatically. So this is very smart. Okay, so that's all for the baseline dimension, the continuous dimension, and also the ordinate dimension. Okay, after we learn about the base dimension and also the baseline dimension, continuous dimension, and ordinate dimension, we will learn about whole table, because whole table is very frequently used, and also there are some settings we need to pay attention to. Like here, in this case, I will show you about different kind of holes and how can we fill them out to create such kind of whole table. So let's just check in the software. Okay, so this case shows a lot of holes which is displaying different colors, like this purple means the holes on the front face, and the blue hose is located on the back face. So we can just check this the hose, the through hose on the back, and also there are some hose that not through. Okay, and also there are some brown hose which is pulling hose. Let's just check. This is pulling hose, and also we draw 2 circles here. So we can just go to the 2 sheet, and the first thing we need to display the 3D wireframe, the 2 circles here. This one shows 3D curves from part, and then we can use the whole table in the layout tab, whole, And first we need to check this option. Back facing hose means the hose on the back facing, it is through hose. If you want to show the hidden hose on the back facing, we need to tick this one. And for the Boolean hose, we need to tick this option. And for the user-defined center features like the two circle, so we need to tick this option. And then choose the view, this view, and also the base point, and the user defined like this one and this one. Okay, we have finished, and then we can set the start ID from 1, and also the table format like no need the remarks, and okay, and insert this table, whole table here. And after this, if you want to make modify, you can just go to redefine. And like here, maybe we want to add some more, or we can just like we want to add the remarks, or we can add, or we can just adjust the order. Okay, so we get this result. This is about whole table. Okay, we just learned about how to dimension manually in ZW3D. Actually, ZW3D also provide the auto dimension, which is used for simple and regular case. So let's check inside the software. So this case shows it is a very simple part, and also this is very regular structure. So we can just go to 2D sheet and to check how to create the dimension automatically. So we go to the dimension and auto dimension, and then specify the origin point, and then set the horizontal to the above, and also this vertical and the left view, and then okay. So we have finished this dimension automatically. After that, we just need to make some adjustment very quickly. Okay, so that's all for the auto dimension. Okay, we just learned about dimensions, and how about annotation and symbols? Here we list the commonly used annotations and symbols, and I will show you in a case about what kind of setting we can do. Like in this sample, we can create the same annotation like this show. So the first we will go to insert in service finish. So the first thing we need to choose the right type and input the data. Then we can location the service finish to the dimension or to any line. Okay, we just put here and also put this dimension and finish. And then we will insert datum feature, and the label is A, and we change the display, and we can change to rectangle or circle, so it's fine. Entity and the place, and another one, the right display, and B is okay, and here this one, finish. And then we insert the feature control. So the symbol perpendicular, and then the tolerance, input datum A, B, so okay, attach here. And also we can use the label to label this hole. So this is very flexible. We just use the editor and input this symbol. Okay, so we get this, and also we can change the display like this one. Okay, finish. And also this is not the same as the right side, so we can change to this one. Okay, finish. We can change the attribute to this one. Okay, that's all for the annotation and symbols. There are more features you can just try by yourself. This is not difficult to understand. Okay, after we create the dimension, we need to edit a dimension. So there are several ways to edit the dimensions. One is through the dimension attribute. We can set almost everything, and also we can modify dimension from the ribbon edited dimension. And also the third way is using the toolbar dim tool. Okay, so I will show you how to add the radius diameter symbol, and how to add tolerance, and how to align the dimensions. Okay, and sometimes we may find that the dimensions turns to red accidentally. So how to solve this kind of issue? Actually, this is the reason that the dimension has unlinked to the entities. So we just need to drag and drop the dimension point to the right place. Okay, so in this case, if we want to add the diameter symbol here, so we can use the right click attribute and test, and then we can click this. Actually, this can modify multiple dimensions. Okay, and another way is that we can use this toolbar. We just load from here, toolbar and dim tool. Okay, and click this and add the diameter symbol. Okay, very easy. And to add the tolerance, we can use the attribute here, and also we can use the icon from the right click menu. So just here we input the value, and if we want to get the negative value, we just add minus, so we get this kind of tolerance. And also there are more ways, like from here there are two bars, and also we can align the dimensions. So first let's check, add one more dimensions. For example, we have two dimensions at manually. So how can we align these two dimensions? So we just go to the ribbon, and then modify text alignment, and select the one we need to relocate, and the standard dimension we want to align. So we have finished. This can make the dimension be more neat. Okay, that's all for the dimension and the annotation part. And in next video, we will show you a case study about the Part 2D drawing. So thank you for watching.